Now let's see how to create a task or an assignment. Tasks can be assignments or homeworks assigned to student by the teachers or admin. To add a task, please from your main menu go to tasks, click on the create new task button. We have two options. You can either create a task by classrooms or by students. When you go by classrooms, you create a task and you assign the task to the whole classroom, by which I mean all the students in that classroom. You can also select by students. You can choose the particular class that you want, and you can choose the particular student from that class as well. You can assign co-teachers to this task. You can give the task a name. You can also add a description if needed. You can give it start date and time for the task, and you can also give a due date and time for the task. You can also attach files to the task if needed for the student's reference. And you can choose whether the student is required to submit a file or not for this particular task. And you can also choose how you're going to assess the tasks. We have options of feedback, mark, etc. So for example, let's say marks. You can choose what is the maximum number of mark out of which you can assess the student. And when you say grades, you can also choose grades like A, B, C, and etc. You can also add just feedback if needed. The save and close button is used to create the task now and use it later as a draft, or you can send the task right away to the student by pressing the send task button. Here is the task that we have created. From the more options drop down, we can also see the student's work once the student has done this task and submitted it back. We also have options to edit the task, copy the task and create a duplicate one. You can also delete the task. You can also inactivate the task. You can also task the email reports.